Hi guys, Fatou here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my morning skincare routine and the products that I'm going to be using in order to achieve this glow on my skin. And as you can see, I do have some acne scars that are my main skin concern, and I do have sensitive skin. So if you guys struggle with acne or you have acne scars or your skin is sensitive, this video will be perfect for you because I have some amazing products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And please don't forget to check out the description bar below where I will share all the direct links to all the products that I'm going to be sharing with you today in my skincare routine. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to be using the Go-To Properly Clean Foam Mousse Cleanser. And this is my first time using it, so you'll see my live reaction on this cleanser. Let's wet our face, and I'm just using water to damp my face. You're not doing my washing my face in the bathroom is kind of hard, but I wanted this setup because I cannot sit in my bathroom. So that's how it looks. I absolutely love products that come out mousse like this. That really means that it's gonna be super gentle and it will get the job done, because foaming products like this are very good for the skin. They will definitely not dry the skin, so I love that. I'm sure I'm gonna like this mousse cleanser a lot from Go-To. So yeah, I will just massage the cleanser all over my face using my hands. And if I had makeup on, well, yeah, if I had makeup on, I would use a cleaning brush. But since this is my morning skincare, I just use my hands. And I will rub this cleanser on my face for 1 minute straight, sometimes longer, before I rinse. I'm gonna rinse my face and I'll be right back. So yeah, that is it for the cleaning process. So after cleansing my face, I always follow it with the toner. And the toner I'm going to be using today is this one by Paul's Choice. Their Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. And this toner is known to minimize pores, get rid of any acne scars, and just tightening up and firming the skin overall. It is a great known toner, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I put it on this cotton pad. I'm just gonna lightly swipe it all over my face like so, going upward. You know, you gotta lift that face while you do your skincare. And by the way guys, since I'm wearing my hijab while doing this routine, and I usually do it in the bathroom, I always use every product that I use it also on my neck and chest. So keep that in mind when you're doing it at home, to use all these products on your neck and chest as well. So I'm just lightly dusting it upward and horizontally all over my face. After the toner, I go ahead and moisturize my face first with a serum. And my day serum at the moment is this one by Dr. Robox. And then this is an Australian brand that makes really good skincare. I love their products. And this is the Reverse Age Serum. And this is how it looks. And all I use of this is one pump, and I spread it all over my face. I put this all over my face, neck, and chest. Just one pump. Just rub it, massage it all over my face like that. don't forget the forehead. And I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I'm not touching my eye area because it's sensitive. That's why I don't want to put any of these products on it. But yeah, I just put it everywhere except my eye areas. So after my serum, I always follow it up with a moisturizer, and the one I'm currently using is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration by First Aid Beauty. And this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see or not, but I have used this moisturizer quite a bit and I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit from the lid here and just put it all over my face like that and just rub it in. This is my favorite part, by the way, guys, besides the serum, of course. And this moisturizer is very lightweight. You don't need a lot of it either. All you need is a very little amount and it will keep your face very hydrated without feeling greasy or too thick on your skin, because some moisturizers, I believe, tend to do that on my skin. So yeah, I like this moisturizer a lot from First Aid Beauty. So yeah, that's that with me moisturizing my face. So the next thing after moisturizing my face is I use an eye cream to hydrate the skin around my eyes. But since my favorite eye cream is finished, I'm so sad about it. So I'm going to be using this sample size marula oil from Drunk Elephant. And I'm just going to squeeze up a tiny bit of this oil and put it around my eye. I don't know how practical this is, but since this is like 100% just oil and my skin likes this oil actually. My skin doesn't like many oils, but it does like this one. I'm overdoing it right now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this version marula oil all over my eye area, and so yeah, that is it. So this is me done with all my moisturizing, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing my face. And the last step I'm going to be doing for my morning skincare routine is to protect my skin using this SPF 30 sunscreen from Drunk Elephant. And it's their Ubra Shears Physical Daily Defense Sunscreen. And you guys, this sunscreen, you don't need a lot of it. I'm just going to be using a pea-sized amount. And just put it on all over my face and neck and chest if I were just doing it. And honestly, you guys, when they say sheer, they mean sheer. This sunscreen is not only super hydrating and dewy, it really moisturizes my face, and it has SPF 30. It's like one of the best sunscreen I've used. So yeah, I'm just going upward, massaging it all over my face. So this is me done with my morning skincare with everything that I use, all the products that I use and the steps that I use them in. So yeah, that's it, you guys. This is my entire morning skincare. I hope you found some of these products really good and you would purchase them to try on your own skin. And keep in mind that I do have sensitive skin, so all of these products are very natural, very clean, cruelty free, no fragrance for the most part, except for the cleanser that I mentioned. And yeah, hope you like the skincare routine that I did for you guys, and I'll hope to see you on my next film.